Have you ever wondered if you can repair your credit in just 3 months? The world of credit repair can often seem like a labyrinth, shadowed by confusion and complexity. It's a vital part of our financial lives, yet many of us find ourselves daunted at the mere mention of it. We're here to shed light on this often misunderstood topic and answer the burning question: can you repair your credit in a mere 3 months? Navigating through the twists and turns of credit repair isn't always easy. It's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and a dash of financial savvy. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way, turning the complex into the comprehensible. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and are curious about the possibilities of credit repair, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we break down this process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Before diving into the process, understand what a credit score is. A credit score is a numerical expression based on an analysis of a person's credit files to represent their creditworthiness. It's like a financial report card that ranges between 300 and 850 points, with the higher number indicating a healthier credit status. Now, why is this score important? Well, this 3-digit number influences financial opportunities available to you, such as the ability to secure loans, get credit cards, or even rent an apartment. A higher score might mean lower interest rates and more favorable terms. So keeping it in good shape is definitely in your best interest. Now let's look at the factors that influence this score. The most significant factor is your payment history, which accounts for about 35% of your score. This is a record of whether you've paid your bills on time. Late payments, defaults, and bankruptcies have a negative effect on your score. Next up is credit utilization, making up about 30% of your score. This is the ratio of your outstanding credit card balances to your credit card limits. A lower ratio indicates a responsible use of credit and positively impacts your score. The length of your credit history counts for about 15% of your score. A longer history tends to increase your score. This history includes the age of your oldest credit account, the age of your newest credit account, and an average of all your accounts. The remaining 20% is influenced by a mix of new credit inquiries and the types of credit you have. Too many inquiries in a short time can lower your score. Having a mix of credit types, such as installment and revolving credit, can improve your score. Understanding these factors is key to credit repair. Each plays a role in shaping your credit score, and by understanding them, you can take control and improve your financial standing. Now that you know what influences your credit score, let's move on to the steps for repairing it. The first step in credit repair is analyzing your credit report. Now you may be wondering, how exactly do I get my hands on this credit report? Well, you're entitled to a free copy of your credit report every week for now, from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, namely Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can request these reports through annualcreditreport.com, the only authorized website for free credit reports. Once you've obtained your report, it's time for some detective work. You're looking for any inaccuracies or discrepancies. These could range from errors in your personal information to inaccurate account statuses and wrongful credit inquiries. Let's break it down a little further. Start by verifying your personal information. Check your name, address, social security number, and employer. Any errors here, although seemingly minor, can lead to mix-ups or identity theft. Next, scrutinize your credit accounts. Each account listed should be familiar to you. If it isn't, it could be a sign of fraudulent activity. For each account, ensure the account status, balance, and payment history are accurate. Then, take a look at your credit inquiries. These are instances when a lender or business has checked your credit as part of an application. If you see inquiries you didn't authorize, it could signal fraud. Lastly, check for any public records or collections. These could include bankruptcies or unpaid bills. Make sure these are accurate, as they can significantly impact your credit score. If you do find errors, don't panic, it's not uncommon. You have the right to dispute these errors with the credit bureaus. They are obligated by law to investigate the items in question, usually within 30 days. Analyzing your credit report might seem like a daunting task, but it's a crucial first step in repairing your credit. It gives you a clear picture of where you stand and what you need to work on. It's like a financial health checkup, and just like your physical health, your financial health deserves your attention. Once you have a clear understanding of your credit report, you're ready for the next step. The second step in credit repair is developing a payment plan. A payment plan is your roadmap to financial stability and an essential tool in credit repair. It's like a financial GPS, guiding you out of debt and towards a healthier credit score. Paying your bills on time is crucial. Every late payment is a black mark on your credit report, a stain that's hard to remove. It's like spilling coffee on a white shirt. It's best to avoid the spill in the first place because getting rid of the stain can be a tough job. So, it's wise to set up reminders for your bill payments. You could use a calendar app, a reminder app, or even sticky notes on your fridge. Whatever works for you as long as it helps you remember to pay your bills on time. Now, while paying bills on time is important, it's just as crucial to reduce your debt. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack while trying to climb a mountain. The more you lighten your load, the easier your climb becomes. Similarly, the less debt you have, the easier it is to improve your credit score. To reduce your debt, you need to prioritize. Think of it as a triage system. In emergency rooms, medical personnel prioritize patients based on the severity of their condition. In the world of finance, you should prioritize your debts based on their interest rates. Debts with high interest rates are like severe cases in an ER. They need immediate attention. So focus on paying off high-interest debts first. To summarize, developing a payment plan involves 2 key steps. First, make sure to pay your bills on time. Set up reminders if necessary. Second, reduce your debt by prioritizing high-interest loans. Remember, a payment plan is not a magic wand. It won't repair your credit overnight. But it's a powerful tool, and if used correctly, it can help you navigate your way out of debt and towards a better credit score. With a solid payment plan in place, you're well on your way to repairing your credit. The third and final step in credit repair is building new credit. Now that we've analyzed our credit report and developed a payment plan, it's time to start adding positive information to our credit history. There are many strategies to build new credit, but let's explore 2 of the most effective ones. The first method is getting a secured credit card. This type of card is backed by a cash deposit you make upfront, which usually equals your credit limit. It's like a credit card with training wheels, designed to help you establish or improve your credit. It's crucial to use this card responsibly, make small purchases, and pay them off in full each month. This way, you're not only building your credit history, but you're also demonstrating to lenders that you can manage credit wisely. The second strategy is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. This means you can benefit from the primary cardholder's good credit habits. However, this method requires a great deal of trust. The primary cardholder is ultimately responsible for the debt, and their credit could be damaged if you misuse the card. Therefore, it's important to have a clear agreement about how the card will be used and how the bills will be paid. Regardless of the method you choose, it's essential to maintain low balances on your credit cards. High credit utilization, which is the ratio of your credit card balances to their credit limits, can negatively impact your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Furthermore, make it a habit to pay off your debts in full and on time each month. Late or missed payments can drastically reduce your credit score. Remember, building new credit isn't about going into more debt. It's about demonstrating responsible credit usage and financial stability to potential lenders. With these 3 steps, you're well on your way to repairing your credit in just 3 months. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed. We started by understanding the importance of a credit score and its impact on financial stability. Following this, we delved into the first step, which involves meticulously analyzing your credit report. This step allows us to identify errors and discrepancies, providing the chance to rectify them and improve the score. Moving on, we talked about the second step, developing a comprehensive payment plan to settle outstanding debts. This step is crucial, as it helps in demonstrating to lenders your commitment to financial responsibility. Lastly, we discussed building new credit. By responsibly using credit, paying bills on time, and maintaining low balances, you can gradually improve your credit score. While the journey of credit repair can be challenging, with these 3 steps, it's possible to make significant strides in just 3 months. Remember, repairing your credit is a journey, but with the right steps, you can make significant progress in just 3 months. Good luck!